Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. I would like to say thank you for coming to our presentation today. It's great to see you all. Okay, let me introduce myself and my partner. I am Isna and my partner Mufti, Silvana, and Safri. The purpose of the presentation is finding pronoun, reference, and specific information. The next paragraph, Mufti Awaludin.
Definition: finding pronoun reference. A pronoun is a part or space that you can interpret as a pronoun. The function of the pronoun itself is very important to learn to replace nouns such as people, objects, animal, and other things that are abstract. Another reason for learning pronoun is to avoid repeating the use of nouns whose properties are not needed. Sinta loves playing PUBG. Sinta always playing PUBG every day. From the example sentence above, we can see that here is a repetition of words that are not needed in the underlined noun. Consider another example sentence below. Next slide. Personal pronoun. Personal pronoun are pronouns that we generally use to replace people, but in the position of the subject and object. We should understand that personal pronouns are also used to replace non-human subject or objects such as object and animal. Next slide. Pronoun reference is a practice of making pronouns refer clearly to the word they replace. A pronoun takes the place of a noun, thus the pronoun must agree with the noun it replaces in number and person. Also, it must be clear with noun. The pronoun is substituting for noun, and the pronoun is the substitute of is called. The antecedent one are basic rules for pronoun reference. Next slide. Number one, a pronoun must agree in number with noun it refers to. If the noun is singular, the pronoun must be singular. Incorrect. Everyone is studying hard for their exams. Correct. Everyone is studying hard for his or her exams. Number two, a pronoun must agree in person with the noun. It refers to be consonant with first person, second person, and third person. Incorrect. If a student studies hard, you solve success. Correct. If a student studies hard, he or she solves success. Next slide. Pronoun chart. First person, subject pronoun I, object pronoun me, possessive pronoun my, possessive pronoun mine, reflexive pronoun myself. Second person, subject pronoun you, object pronoun you, possessive adjective your, possessive pronoun yours, reflexive pronoun yourself. Third person now, subject pronoun he, object pronoun him, possessive adjective his, possessive pronoun his, reflexive pronoun himself. Third person female, subject pronoun she, object pronoun here, possessive adjective here, possessive pronoun here, reflexive pronoun herself. Third person, subject pronoun he, object pronoun it, possessive adjective it, possessive pronoun not used, reflexive pronoun itself. First person plural, subject pronoun we, object pronoun use, possessive adjective our, possessive pronoun ours, reflexive pronoun ourselves. Third person plural, subject pronoun you, object pronoun you, possessive adjective your, possessive pronoun yours, reflexive pronoun yourself. Third person plural, subject pronoun they, object pronoun them, possessive adjective their, possessive pronoun theirs, reflexive pronoun themselves. Next slide. Syafriadi Sikumbang. Siafana Nabila.
Definition of specific information. Reading for specific information, which includes academic reading, different from pleasure reading. You might read a novel for fun, but the purpose of academic reading is to gain information. 3, 4. You need to have some techniques to find the specific information, such as scanning and skimming, participating in classroom discussion. Number 1, how do you best use your dictionary to look up meaning of a word? Let's say the meaning of passage. Do you start exploring from list of words started by or you directly jump to that by P? Why? Number 2. How do you cope with reading a very long text to find out specific information, but you only have 3 seconds to go? Do you read the text completely even when you know you do not have enough time? To do scanning, you have to start with predicting on or two tips that you think are relevant to scanning. You could either read them down or remember them. Then you need to read and see if the following list contains your prediction. If you find it the one, then you might ignore the rest. Below is given a list of tips on locating specific information. Number 1, keep in mind what you want to locate in a text. Number 2, jot down a pitch for paper of PK words that are related to the topic you want to explore in a text. When you read, look for those key words. Slow down when you see time. After some practice, you could perform this anticipation, confirmation of anticipation process mentally instead of actually reading the keywords. Example of specific information: how, where, who, how many, how much, what day, what year, how long ago, how far, how long, how wide, how often, what color, what month, what like. Next slide, Safri.
Okay, bioluminescence defined as the emission of visible light by living organisms is a characteristic of many near surface ocean creatures. Most of these creatures produce light when they are irritated by something around them. Scientists have product like the way these animals do, but the light which is produced by living creatures in the dark will always be beautiful. Number one, where in the physics does the outer give a definition? The answer is A. Is A. Next slide. Number two, where is basic does the outer mention the as of the insect like to illuminate surgery? The answer is C. Next slide. Next slide. Number three, where in the passage does the author discuss the origin of the word citizen? The answer is A. Number four, where in the passage does the author mention the obligation of a citizen? The answer is C. Next slide. Number five, where in the passage does the author describe how coral producing animal find food? The answer is B. Number six, where in the passage does the author explain why and where coral reef are formed? The answer is B. Number six. Number seven, where in the passage does the author describe the different kinds of reef? The answer is B. Next is Isna.
Civil rights are the freedom and right that a person may have as a member of community, state, or government. Civil rights include, among other, freedom of speech, freedom of the press, freedom of religion, the right to peaceful assembly, and equal rights and opportunities for all people, regardless of race, sex, religion, age, or disability. In some countries, civil rights are protected by law and custom. The constitution of this country have Bill of Rights that describe basic liberty and right. Code of law decision whether a person civil rights have been violated. In other countries, the government claims to respect and guard civil rights, but such claims differ greatly from actual conditions. In this country, the people are denied such basic rights as freedom of speech and of the press, even though their constitution guarantees this right. Because of this contradiction, activities of civil rights hold campaign to gain their right. Civil rights campaign consists mostly of public meetings, march, and other forms of protest, such as people sitting down on the public highway. They also include taking cases to court and lobbying members of the legislative body in an effort to change legislation. Such campaigns make people aware of the issue and demonstrate popular support. Change all civil rights have limits so that people do not ask their freedom to violate the right of other people. For example, a person may ask freedom of speech as long as his speech will not lead to the violent overthrow of the government. In addition, a person might not ask civil rights to justify action that might seriously hurt the healthy welfare, safety, or moral of others. 8. In what lens does the other mention the kin of civil right? The answer A. Number 9. In what line does the other mention that in some country people cannot apply their right? The answer B. Number 10. Where in the passage does the other mention the effect of civil right campaign? The answer B. Next. 11. Where in the passage the other describe the restriction of civil right? The answer D. Law is a set of enforced rules under which a society is governed. Law is a basic social institution, one of the most necessary. No society could exist if all the people did just as they please without regard of the right of honor of others. Nor could a society exist if its members did not recognize their certain obligation toward one another. The law thus establishes the rules that govern a person's right and obligation. The law also penalty for those who violate it and states how the government shall enforce the rules and penalty. In most societies, various government bodies, especially police agencies and courts, to it that people obey the laws because people can get a penalty for disobeying the law. Most of them agree that law shall be just. Justice, a moral standard that applies to all human conduct. Next. The law enforced by government usually have a strong moral element, and so justice has generally been one of the law guiding principles. But government can and something do enforce law that many people believe to be unjust. If this belief becomes widespread, people people might lose respect for and many even disobey them. But in demonstrations such as the law itself, profit wise to amend or abolish unjust laws. Law can be divided into two main branches, private and public. Private law deals with the right and obligation people have in their relation with one another, while public law concerns the right and obligation people have as member of society and city. Both private law and public law can be subdivided into several branches. However, they are closely related and in many cases overlap. The number 12 where in the passage does the another discuss the importance of law? The answer A. Next. Okay, thank you for thank you very much for your great attention. See you again.